With the element deep knowledge, the main question to ask is, to what extent does this lesson sustain a focus on key concepts and the relationships between them? As teachers, we need to be clear about the big ideas, the key concepts we want students to learn, and why that learning matters. It's really important to go further than just presenting content or learning goals for a lesson. It's about unpacking key concepts and clearly connecting the learning activities to those concepts. The content's important, but deep knowledge is specifically about what we want students to get out of a lesson and helping them to make sense of the content through the main ideas. For example, in lessons focused on addition and subtraction, we might repeatedly model and have students practice and describe jump, split, or bridging strategies. Or in a high school geography class, students might compare services and facilities in different areas. But what are the key ideas that students have to grasp in order to know those topics deeply? And how do the concepts relate to each other? The key concept in the maths example is that students understand the importance of drawing on a range of strategies when adding and subtracting. In the geography example, the key concepts might be livability and the uneven distribution of resources. Some syllabuses articulate key concepts for teachers, and stage statements or level descriptions often provide detail of the big ideas in subject areas. It's not that the teacher has to do all the work here. Deep knowledge can also be brought to a lesson by the students, a guest speaker, on an excursion, or via websites. This element is all about ensuring the key concepts that underpin the learning are clearly evident throughout each lesson. So deep knowledge is about drawing attention to big ideas, and it's important to do this even when covering a large amount of content.